Hey guys, this is Ben here. On this channel, I'll be answering your tech questions. Now let's jump right on in. In the last video, I went over a brief history on internet browsers and what they do. Today, I will briefly go over the three most common browsers. Edge is owned and ran by Microsoft. It comes already installed with Windows by default. Safari is owned and ran by Apple. It comes already installed on Macs by default. And Chrome is owned and ran by Google. Which one to use is mainly personal preference. However, Chrome is the most used, so most sites are optimized for Chrome. But Edge and Safari are still used a fair amount, mostly due to the availability of them. Most sites will display just fine on all three. Thanks for watching. Liked today's video? Go ahead and hit that like button and put your questions in the comments below. If you want more videos like this or want to know more about tech and how it all works, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.